Okay, so I've decided to make a change. When I originally sprayed the color on these guitars, my intention was to gradually transition this black into the natural wood of the neck. And I did that with my spray gun, giving it a nice soft transition. But I don't like the way it looks. I think it looks too airbrushed, and that's not what you would expect to see here. Instead, you would expect to see the paint has been worn off and rubbed away. So what I'm doing is I'm sanding the back of the neck to give that transition more of a jagged, rough, harder edge look to it, which I think will look a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And then when I'm finished doing this, I'm going to recoat the neck with my MCAP Plus 2K water-based acrylic clear coat, just to protect the finish and the paint. I don't have to do that, but I think that it will make the neck look better and preserve its appearance for much longer. All right, so I've got both necks looking and feeling just the way I wanted them to. So if you've got a guitar neck that your hand feels like it sticks to it when you play and you can't slide it easily up and down without it feeling like it's sticking, I would suggest you grab some really fine grit sandpaper, something in the neighborhood of like a 600 grit, and work your way up through to about 1500 grit to get that neck feeling really, really smooth. So I hope you found this video to be useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. That always helps the channel, and it also tells me what kind of videos you guys like to watch so that in the future I'll make videos that you like to watch. And until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more of these guitar building videos.